Hey you guys, this is Dan again from UnboxingBros, and today we're going to be talking about the MacBook Air 2018. So this is the 128 SSD dual-core Intel i5 8th generation processor. In other words, the base model. So quick story before we get to the review. Before buying this computer, I've never actually really owned a MacBook or any Mac computer. I've had iPhones, but I've never owned a Mac. So it's a very interesting change for me because I've always used Windows, but I've seen a lot of reviews about Final Cut Pro 10. I know a lot of people use it, and that's something I want to use for my video production. So I thought, why not just get the MacBook Air as an introduction to the whole Apple ecosystem for computers, and then go on from there. So I know this computer doesn't have the best specifications, but I have seen a couple YouTubers editing 4K video on it, and honestly I'm not going to be doing 4K videos for a while. So if it can handle 4K footage, probably it could handle 1080p, who knows. That's what we're going to be trying out as well. So stay tuned for a future video on that. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. The first thing to notice is that Apple has really enhanced the unboxing experience with this little tab. I was really excited, and it wasn't just because it was my first MacBook unboxing. Inside, we will find the MacBook in all of its glory, and I just have to say that this color is really great. In the box, we will also find the Apple stickers, of course, but these come in space gray, which I am seriously in love with. Don't judge me. And finally, the charger. So the base MacBook Air comes with a 13-inch Retina display, which it's not really new technology, but let's be honest guys, we're all glad to see that old MacBook Air screen go. Overall, there are three things that I love about this laptop. The first thing is its portability. This computer is lightweight enough to just carry around with you wherever you go, and the build quality is so good that you won't have to worry about it breaking wherever you go. So the second thing I love about this computer is the second generation butterfly keyboard. It has very low key travel, and I know this is a huge controversy on the community out there. I think for a lot of people it's a love it or hate it kind of thing. I personally love it. I think it's a bit ergonomic, the way that you don't have to lift your fingers as much to type down, and overall I think it's a great experience. And lastly, which should probably be the first, it's the battery life. They advertise on the Apple side for the battery to last for about 12 hours of web streaming, and we really put this to the test. I've been kind of sick, so I've been laying around all day for 3 days around the house, and I've been using this computer non-stop. I've put it on a full charge, and I've used it all the way, watching Netflix, just watching YouTube videos, and at least for my tests, the battery has lasted for 8 to 10 hours on a single charge, which is great. I mean, you're not going to get that much battery life out of any ordinary computer. So it's a great way to enjoy content for long periods of time before you have to plug this computer back in again. Of course, the MacBook Air is not perfect by any means. It's not perfect. It's not going to be for everyone. If you are looking into buying this computer, there's one thing that you will be getting for sure, and that is the build quality and of course the Apple tabs. So as long as you know the computer's limitations and you try not to go far from them, I think you will enjoy a very good, very high quality laptop. So what do you guys think about this video? Was it helpful? If you liked it, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments down below. Are you thinking of buying this computer? Why and why not? And before I go, I just want to thank all the people that have been subscribing to my channel. I know I haven't been uploading a lot of videos. My consistency hasn't been the greatest. I've been going through a lot of things in my personal life, but YouTube is one thing that I really want to do. I love technology. I love making these kind of videos. So really thank you for your support. And if this is your first time in this channel, please consider subscribing because I will be uploading more videos frequently. So thank you all for your support, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.